If you want to back up the data of your iPhone 17 using your computer, then here's what you need to do. So whether you have Mac or Windows, in both cases you will need to connect your iPhone 17 to your computer by using the USB cable. And once you do that, in the case of Mac, unfortunately I don't have a Mac to show you exactly how it looks like, but I know the steps regardless. So generally speaking, you want to go to the Finder, and on the Finder, in the Finder sidebar, you want to select your iPhone, and then at the top of the Finder window you will have to click on General, and then you will find the option to back up all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac. So you want to select this option and click Backup Now. Now on the other hand, if you use Windows, then in that case you need to get the Apple Devices app, which you can find for free in the Microsoft Store. And you will have to, of course, confirm that you trust this computer, and so on and so forth. But after that, what you will need to do is over here where you have backups, you will need to switch to backup all of the data on your iPhone to this computer, and then you want to click Apply. You will need to click Apply before you move on, and then if you want to make the backup, you can choose Backup Now. You might need to once again confirm on your iPhone that you want to do the backup by providing the passcode. But then you should be able to do the backup, and later on, of course, we can restart the backup if needed over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.